Open source software is the backbone of modern development, powering nearly 96% of today's applications. It fuels innovation and accelerates shipping, but this reliance comes with a critical challenge: a daunting web of hidden complexities, risks, and vulnerabilities. Organizations are struggling to convert vulnerability alerts into deployed fixes, creating a critical gap in software supply chain security. Traditional security tools often stop at detection, leaving teams with overwhelming task lists and manual work. The result? It takes an average of 270 days for teams to fix vulnerabilities, exposing your organization to significant financial and reputational costs. ActiveState transforms vulnerability management from a burden into a strategic advantage. Our open-source security posture management platform delivers three critical capabilities to secure your software supply chain. Discover Vulnerability Blast Radius. We provide unparalleled visibility, mapping the full scope of vulnerabilities and their impact across your organization. With proprietary dependency intelligence from the world's largest open-source database of 40+ million components, we uncover hidden transitive dependencies that others miss. Prioritize Risk Prioritization Copilot. Not all vulnerabilities are equal. Our AI-powered assistant helps you cut through the noise, providing proactive breaking change detection and a clear remediation workflow to focus on what matters most. Minimizing disruption. Remediate Precision Remediation Pipeline. Knowing isn't enough. You need to fix it fast. We offer automated component-level intervention, generating secure builds from source in a hardened environment. Our images are rebuilt nightly with signed SBOMs and attestations, with an industry-leading CVE remediation SLA of 7 days for critical issues and 14 days for others. While others merely suggest fixes, we deliver them. ActiveState empowers your teams to reclaim 30% of time wasted on manual dependency triage. Cut incident response times from months to hours, and reduce your attack surface by 70% plus with proactive risk controls. Focus on building mission-critical code and driving innovation with security built in. Ready to transform your vulnerability management? Visit ActiveState.com to learn more about our platform or book a demo today. We'd love to show you how our platform can help you take control of your open-source supply chain and accelerate innovation.